I'm back with another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So we got this Tesla. You can see it's a Tesla with the big screen. This is an older model. So on this Tesla, we're doing a full Utopia build. So I reached out to one of my buddies from Meshman. I'll put a link down in the description of his site. And he made us some custom rings for our tweeter, for our three-way. So we're doing Utopia three-way. So we're doing a tweeter, the mid, and the 8 in the door. So reach out to my Meshman buddy, had him make these for us. Let me see if I can get these out. If I can, I'm not gonna pull it out. They're already pretty much in, and the magnets are there. So he basically made this out of acrylic on his laser machine. So we're just gonna obviously have this all painted to match the color, black, and we're gonna do shiny black like this. I'm gonna put it in the shiny black like this. But we're gonna do the Utopia TMW tweeters. Like I said, the 3-inch mid, and you can see the 8. And what we basically did was had this bondoed and then got some ultra suede leather, ultra suede, and had it put on here. And all we gotta do is just wait for the speakers to come in. So the only thing we're waiting on right now is the 3-inch and the 10-inch. And literally we just have to finish wrapping it up. And this car is basically a redo. We did this car before, and the customer stepped his game up, went to big boy status, and he wanted basically to go all out in this car. And it's gonna turn out really good when it's said and done. And because what we basically did on the old cars, we had a tweeter, and we had a mid driver in there, and we had some APF 8.9 and a monoblock running 2 10s in the back. And it was kind of weird because he had 2 10s, one was a JL, the other one was another JL, and the boxes weren't the same, and it was just really weird. But that's what the customer wanted, so you know, you kind of go with the flow of what the customer wants. So as you can see, we made some rings for the 8-inch woofers here, and those turned out really solid. We did in the doors. We got some wires around here for the tweeters and mid. And we did Utopia 6.5. We're gonna put a tweeter in his door because that's what the customer wants. But that's the best thing we're gonna do is actually put their tweeter in the door, the same tweeter put in the front. We ran all the wires all the way back here, we cleaned it up. And then we're gonna do Moscone. We're gonna do basically 2 Moscone amps, 2 5-channels, and a monoblock. And we're also gonna do a Audison Bit 1 HD Virtuoso. So we're running all the wires now to get it all situated. It's also going to have 2 10s, one on this side, a 10-inch woofer, Utopia 10, and then one on this side, which has already been fabricated. We just have to kind of put it together and when we get the woofers. So we're basically just waiting on equipment at this point. But I should have most of this stuff put together tomorrow. And you know, Chad did a great job on the A-pillars, and he's doing a great job on the subs. And all we got to basically do is just put it up, wire it up, and make it fire. So stay tuned for the next video. This is just part 1. Put together so you get an idea what we're working on, and we'll move forward. Peace.